Hey guys, welcome back to Pretty Uncensored. So I have started a new uploading schedule. So what I'm going to be doing is uploading on Sundays, Wednesdays, and Fridays from now on. Sunday is going to be called Sunday Funday, and what that is going to be about is me testing out a new beauty gadget or product or gimmicky item. So I think that is just going to be like a really neat kind of quick video each week. And if you guys have suggestions of products you would like me to try out, leave them in the comments. I am starting that video this Sunday and I am using the world's most painful peel off mask. So watch out for that. Then on Wednesdays, every Wednesday, it's going to be called What the Fuck Wednesday. And what that's going to be is what the fuck video am I going to upload? It's just going to be random videos of anything I want it to be. So I thought that this would be the perfect video to start What the Fuck Wednesdays off with. And on Fridays, I'm going to be calling it Friday 411. And what that's going to be is a new tutorial or a new review on a makeup product that just launches. So I don't know if I'm going to have anything for this Friday coming up. I might. If not, I will have next Friday for sure a review and tutorial demo on the Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam palette. I have so many cool ideas and things on the way, so make sure you guys subscribe, hit that notification bell. And as for today, what we are going to be doing for our first What the Fuck Wednesday is I went through all my Sephora samples. I have a giant bin and I never use them. So today I thought, okay, it's time. So I picked out a bunch of samples of products that I've never tried before, and I am doing a full face on those. I have some definite hits and some definite misses. So if you guys are interested in seeing what I'm going to purchase and what I fucking hate, keep on watching. Okay, so in doing this video, I actually found so many cool products. I can't believe that I overlooked. So the first thing I found is this Glam Glow Matte Glow Moisturizer. So I'm going to start off by moisturizing my skin. Oh, I don't know if it's supposed to look like this. It's hard. It feels like it's weird. I don't know if I like it. It's really... Okay, next up, I'm going to go in with this Touch of Soul No Problem Primer. Oh, my skin feels so gross with that. Oh my gosh. This feels even worse, I think, than the first product. Okay, so I have this sample from Bobbi Brown and it looks like this, and I ripped it, and so I don't have the instructions, but it says it's a peach corrector. So I'm not 100% sure about this, but I would think that means to put under your eyes to hide the dark circles. I'm hoping. So that's what we're going to do. It's probably like a lip gloss. So it looks actually like it is brightening up my under eyes. So once I get some foundation and concealer on top of that, I think it'll actually be really nice. Okay, so moving right along, next I'm going to use this Clinique Beyond Perfecting Foundation and Concealer 2-in-1. So, I just squeezed the packet and broke it, so I got a little mess going on. Okay, so I'm going to use a damp beauty blender. Okay, so actually I can already tell that I really like the feel of this. Really high coverage and maybe not the best color match, but that's okay. Okay, so I fucking love this foundation. Like, it's amazing. And it's for light. Oh my god. Okay, it's like, it's so pink. You like can't even tell, but it's like so pink. It's like, I don't know how this is gonna go. The secret of the world's top makeup artist instantly erases signs of fatigue, and we are fatigued. Okay, if you could see how pink this is, like it is crazy. Went on like super, like a nice thin layer, so it's not going to get into my wrinkles. So I'm loving this. Moving right along, I'm gonna go in with I'm gonna go in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Clear Brow Gel. I didn't even know I had this. It's got to be worth like a lot of money. Then I'm going to use this Benefit Cabral Cream Gel Brow. Oh, looks like this. Apparently, I don't know if my daughter used it or what. Oh my gosh. Looks like a mess. But if you can hear all sorts of weird sounds, it's just my dogs. Oh god, I don't know what the hell happened there. Well, those are some brows. I feel like one of those girls that just didn't know when enough was enough. I don't have a contour, so but I'm going to be ultra bougie and go in with the Grwm Terracotta 03 Natural bronzer. Face. Oh my god. So much shedding. Ooh, that's pigmented. God. Okay. Better than the brows, so not too bad. I like that. Next up, I found this Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector in Snapdragon. I think this is like the only color I don't have. So that's pretty. I'm going to go in with the Urban Decay Naked Skin Highlighting Fluid. I think I am going to. I don't know what it looks like. Okay, yeah, we're going to try that. And this is in the color Sin. I just caught a look at my eyebrows in the mirror again. Okay, so that's that. Do you like that? Yeah. The only eyeshadow sample that I had is from Smashbox, and it looks like that. So what colors are these? Golden Hour Eyeshadow Duo in Turned On and Psyched. I'm actually pretty impressed so far. Just gonna take a little bit of that darker color and then I have either the Clinique mascara, and it is the High Impact Lash Elevating Mascara. Okay, so I like that mascara for the bottom lashes. It really got all 6 of them. For the top, I don't know. It was okay. They're kind of a little crazy, but I mean, it was free, so who gives a fuck? So moving on, I found these 2 little cuties. They are Marc Jacobs lipsticks, and I'm going to use the lighter one in Slow Burn. Looks like this. I hate the way lipstick looks on me. I like lip gloss, but we're gonna go right in. I actually think I don't hate this color. Oh my god, I like it. I am fucking shocked because I never ever like lipstick colors on me. I love this lip. I love the color. I love the way it feels. This was like such a good idea. Well, I think that is about everything. I am going to order the lipstick, the under eye concealer, and probably the foundation. I'm super excited that I came up with this idea because honestly, I have like the biggest box of samples and they do have an expiration date, so it's such a waste to not try them. And really, what better way to fall in love with new products? So I am going to maybe do another one of these videos with the stuff I didn't use. Comment below if you would like to see that one. And thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in my next video.